Hello, this is Iris Arrington from Ideally Simple Decor, and we're going to start our Christmas countdown. I am going to make plates to go on my table for the 2021 Christmas in my dining room, and I'm going to use these rose gold and champagne gold glitters. Of course, my adhesive spray. And I have a plastic backing that I'm going to put over the back of the plate so that the glitter doesn't come off. I got my paper towel down, my old faithful paper towel to catch my glitter. And I put on some gloves so I can put some adhesive spray on the back of the plate. Try to get it all over the plate as much as possible and not everywhere else. Because I'm gonna move my plates because I don't want it to stick to the paper towel. All right, let's put on some rose gold first. And I always do this. I always start these things without opening my tops to my glitter. Okay, there we go. We got that one open. So rose gold is gonna go on first. I'm going to sprinkle as far up in the air as I can because I don't want my glitter to be in big clumps on the plate. I want it to be spread out evenly, just like it's been sprinkled and not dumped on my plate. Seems to be going pretty well. Getting it everywhere. Now, that's my rose gold. Now I'm going to sprinkle on my champagne. Here's my champagne going on. As you see, my champagne is going on a little thicker because this is a finer glitter. The champagne is a finer glitter than the rose gold. And no, I'm not looking to save glitter this time around. I'm looking to just get my plates covered. Completely. Look at that, that's pretty. That covered real nice. All right, let's do the rest of them. Oh, I almost forgot a step here. I want to put the plastic on while I've got some glue. This is a clear plastic. So I'm gonna lay it down on my plate, and from the center out, I'm gonna lay it down on my plate. There we go. Get off. Before we go to the next plate, I want to show you how that plastic adheres to the plate real nice. It's real nice and solid on there, and the crinkles are out. I'm gonna take my scissors and cut the plastic, and I'm going to stay right on the rim of my plate. Of course, pulling the plastic up as I cut. Getting it as close as possible. I'm going to take my little Okay, I have my plate. I'm gonna turn it over. Shake up my adhesive spray. Spray it on my plate. I'll be up as high as I can because I don't want any large quantities of the glue on the plate. I've got my sprinkle setting here. This is the rose gold. I'm gonna put this on first, and I'm gonna go high with this as well. And I'm gonna start from one side and work my way to the top side there. Try not to put it in clumps. And I find that the higher you lift your hand to sprinkle it on, the better it falls on your plates or whatever you're putting it on. It doesn't clump up. Okay, that's my rose gold there. All right, that's pretty. Isn't that pretty? This is how it's going to look from the other side, though. Isn't that gorgeous? All right. Last plate. Whoa. Rose gold is going on. These are, like I said, these are larger flakes than the champagne. Champagne is a fine glitter. This is actually like a normal size glitter. The rose gold is. You want to get it on here even. You don't want clumps, anything like that on here. Want it to look really nice and professional. I do this for a living. Anyone that orders plates, they want a certain color, certain design, I do them. I create them. Just put an order in. You can always email me or hit me on my Facebook, or best way to get me is just to comment on my videos. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment. Let me know if there's something you might want to see me try to do, or something that I may know how to do and you want to learn how to do it. I'll be more than happy to show you. This is what I do, this is what I like. And because I like it, I take my time with it and I do my best with it. All right, so now I'm gonna spray it again, and we're gonna put the plastic on the back. And this plastic actually is drop cloth plastic that you get to cover the floors and rugs and furniture and stuff. So I stretch it out, and then I'm not rubbing it, I'm just pressing it down. One of my plates earlier, I found out when I rub it or scrape it down, it tears and takes my glitter off. So stretch it out as much as I can possibly stretch it out. And then I'm gonna cut the plastic off. Now I've been stacking my plates because I find that when I stack it, it helps my plastic to stay on it better, so that the glue dries. So I'm gonna unstack these, stack this one on the bottom, and I'm gonna cut the plastic off of this one. And what glitter I can save will be rose gold and champagne, and I will put it in a jar and use it just like that. Sometimes it's just waste because, I mean, you know, that's what happens when you do glitter and you do crafts. So it's nothing surprising and should make you upset because that's how it happens. If you get a chance to reuse something, then do it. If not, don't fret it. Don't worry about it. All right, so this is my plate. Get this out of the way. And I've got cardboard over my table, which I'm glad I did put some over my table because I wouldn't want this to be stuck to my table because I use it for other things. So there we go. There's my plate. Got the rose gold in there, and it's got the fine champagne glitter in there, and I'm gonna trim it around the edges as well. So this is gonna be part of my Christmas holiday table setting for 2021. Just like my gold plates, I have a counter that's in my living. Put it this way, it's open concept in my house, and the counter is right there between the living room and the kitchen, of course. And my living room is got teal and beiges, so I'm going to do teal, probably a teal tree or a peacock color in my living room this year for Christmas. So on my counter, I'm going to make some plates. These are plate settings. And keep in mind, these are just for decoration. These are not going to be holding food of any kind. I've got my teal or aqua color tinsel glitter. They call it holographic or tinsel glitter. So, my favorite, Elmer's adhesive spray. I'm gonna do all four at the same time. And these are smaller plates. These are not dinner plates. All right, I've got all the extra dumped back into the containers, and now I'm going to spray my plates again and coat them with the glitter again. Excuse me. I've got a double coating of glitter on my plates. It's thicker on the back. See that? That's really pretty. But look at that. That's even gorgeous. Look at that. Okay. So with these plates, because they are smaller, and I'm going to use Mod Podge on the back of these. So take my sponge applicator and add my Mod Podge, and I'm gonna add my Mod Podge as straight and solid as I possibly can. What I'm doing now is just pushing down my glitter. Make sure that it adheres to every glue surface on the plate. And I'm going to add my Mod Podge to it when I do all of these. I've done every one of the plates with my sponge, and I've dumped them again to get the excess glitter off. And the reason I'm doing this is also because this is tinsel glitter. It doesn't lay like regular glitter, the fine glitter. So I want it to be as flat as possible, and I don't want any clumps in this when I add my Mod Podge to it. Look at that. It's pretty. Okay, so I've got my Mod Podge ready, and we're going to add this to our plate, and I'm going to be putting it in on. The plate is dry, the Mod Podge on the back. You know, when I was doing this, I said to myself, I said, man, it'd be so cool if it just had a Mod Podge spray. And ta-da, I found one in Walmart the other day. Spray on all-in-one glue sealer, multi-surface, indoor, outdoor, no brush, durable, non-tacky. Didn't know they had it. I saw it. It's like, cool beans. So the next one I do, I'll be doing it with that. This is our plate. Turned out pretty nice. I'm going to add the ribbon across the plate. I'm adding the ribbon. I'm going to go over the edge a little bit so that when I do cut it off, I can cut it in line with the plate. And then I will put some no fray on the end of that. And I'll apply this with my glue. And my beads, I'm going to put them right down the center of it. Now, keep in mind, these are plates for decoration only. This is not for something to be used to eat and serve or anything like that on. This is just for the decor on my counter. This is the last one. So I'm gonna trim. See how close I got that. Put my stitch witchery up here so that it does not ravel. It's not stitch witchery, I'm sorry, it's no fray up here so it doesn't fray. And that's gonna dry clear. Put a dot of glue here. Add my bead. Put a dot right in the middle. And whatever bead fits on there. And I rub off the excess glue as well as the little threads that come off. Or webbing. That's what I call it, webs. Come off of it. Okay, I'll put this with the other ones and let them dry. Let them set and dry. But that's what my plate is going to look like. And I can set it, of course, sideways like this, or I can set it up or set it at an angle. I'll be doing more items to add to my table, like glassware and so forth. So, stay tuned. I'll show you how to do those items also. All right, here's my 2021 table decor in my dining room, and this is going to go on my kitchen island. Now, that blue is really pretty. It's got the teal in it. That's really what color I'm trying to pull out of it. So there's the gold that's going in the dining room along with the coasters. If you haven't, please subscribe and share the video with your friends and family. And look for us on Saturdays now. Thank you again for viewing. Have a blessed day.